Hi everyone, in front of me I have this Vivo V23 smartphone, and in this video we would like to talk about top 3 widgets that you can possibly add to the home screen of this device. So let's go ahead and start. First of all, in order to access the widget menu, you gotta either make the shrink and swipe or tap and hold on any vacant space you have on your home screen. Go for this widgets. Here you have some promoted widgets, or there are also the categories that contain certain widgets. So let's go ahead and start. The first widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the Google search bar. So all that we need to do in order to find it is to look for the Google category, tap on it, and here choose the Google search bar. So just tap and drag it to the home, choose the home screen that you would like to place it at. I'll just drop it right here. The second widget that I would highly recommend on adding is the weather widget, that you can either find right here on the top in the promoted widget section, or scroll down until you stumble upon the weather category. Let me find it real quick. Oh, it's actually absent, my bad. Yeah, this category is absent, so you can just take it directly from here. Drag and hold, choose the home screen that you would like to place this widget at. I'll drop it here, for example. So in order to configure it, you gotta tap on the widget itself, accept all the terms, agree, choose the city that you're currently at. I'll just go with Krakow. Choose it, and from now on it will show the weather and the weather trends that are currently in Krakow, at least in my case. The third widget that I would highly recommend on adding, and the last one for this video, is the contact widget. Just look for the contacts category here and choose any of these widgets that you would like the best. So there is the direct message widget, which basically the shortcut for direct message for some particular contact. The direct dial widget, which is the direct dial shortcut for some specific contact you have, or just the contact page that you can add. So I'll go with the contact, drop it here for example, and choose the contact that I would like for the shortcut to represent. I'll just go with that. And here you have the dead contact shortcut, and just by tapping on it you'll open up the dead page, the page of the contact that you have chosen for this shortcut. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.